Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best square gel nail tips on the market. The Cycullinyt 240-piece set of long square soft gel nail tips. Whether you're a beginner or a professional looking for salon-quality nail extensions at home, this set offers a fantastic solution with impressive versatility and quality. Starting with the basics, these nail tips come in a generous pack of 240 pieces, featuring 12 different sizes. This wide range ensures that every nail shape and size is covered, including 2 extra sizes for those with particularly small or large nails. The sizing numbers are conveniently marked on the tips themselves, making it easy to find your perfect fit quickly and efficiently, which really helps speed up the application process. The material used for these tips is a high-quality soft gel, which strikes a great balance between flexibility and durability. Unlike brittle acrylics that can snap or crack easily, these soft gel tips flex naturally, preventing breakage while still providing a strong base for your manicure. The gel is non-toxic, odorless, and free from harsh chemicals, making it a safe choice even for sensitive skin or pregnant users, which is always a big plus. When it comes to application, these tips are straightforward and beginner-friendly. You simply select your size, apply glue to the flat base of the nail tip, press it onto your natural nail for about 10 seconds, and then cure it under a UV or LED lamp for 60 to 90 seconds. This process is simple enough for DIY home users but also meets the quality standards that professionals expect. A big advantage of these nail tips is their clear finish, which allows for endless creativity. You can easily paint over them with your favorite nail polish, use dip powder, or apply acrylic powder to customize your look. This clarity also means the final manicure looks natural and clean, mimicking the appearance of a professional salon nail. Durability is key for any nail extension, and these tips deliver on that front. When applied correctly, they can last for more than 3 weeks without damage or creasing. Their full coverage design also helps protect your natural nails underneath, making the whole experience not just beautiful but healthy for your nails. Another noteworthy feature is the professional shape of the tips. The long square design is modern and stylish, perfect for anyone looking to elevate their nail game. These tips provide a sleek, trendy look that suits various styles, from casual to formal occasions. Overall, the Cycullinyt 240-piece soft gel nail tips offer great value with their extensive size range, durable and safe material, easy application, and long-lasting wear. Whether you're a newbie wanting to try nail extensions for the first time or a seasoned nail artist, these tips provide a solid foundation for stunning nails right at home or in a salon setting. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in elevating your nail routine with some of the best square gel nail tips available, the Cycullinyt set is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.